Well, I got around. Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. Alright, this is going to be the first ever run of the EB48 2.0. Never even hit the track yet. We're going to go with it right now. Seating. First run ever, untested. I am kind of freaking out, so I'm not ready. But it's just seating. If I miss it, I miss it. But we're going to try our best here.
You need help?
No.
Are you good?
Yeah, I just got to get up there. I don't know if my round is going right now or not. I'm in round 2, 35.
This is 1. Okay. So you're next.
I'm very next.
You're good. Very good. Take a breath.
Woo! Time for just one. All right, so it should be up right away. This is the new paint if you haven't seen it yet. TEKNO RC EB48 2.0. Pancake, you pancake. So I made it.
You made it. Yeah, I'm gonna throw this one down next to you.
So I haven't even had any practice time on the track yet. I don't even know what this is going to be like. So yeah, this is the new track layout. I just wanted to get my first shots of this on track because it's unrun. So you're going to get to see what it's like out of the box and on an unexperienced track. So here we go. Fully box stock setup, 15-tooth pinion, which I might be too low. We're gonna see. Man, it's windy up here. Audio might be garbage. I'm already off the track. I'm just gonna take it really easy because I don't know this track at all. Too much. Well, I got around. Whoa! Whoa!
Donc, est-ce qu'il y a des toutes mes mentales? Je pense que ça va être bon temps.
I don't know the rhythm of the jumps at all.
On va débuter ça dans 45 secondes. C'est continuer à rouler. We're going to start this in 45 seconds. I still need Jim Rogers, David Écuyer sur la track. J'ai besoin de toi pour la round 2, le 35 plus BUGGY. Jonathan Nazon, David Mercier. Passe à l'autre, Dave.
I'm over jumping that.
Cette la voie, on va que je passe à l'autre. Jonathan Bélanger, il n'est pas là aujourd'hui. David Mercier, Jonathan Nazon, David Écuyer, Jim Rogers, à passer à l'autre.
It's really smooth. Just quit. Something might go on me. Oh well. Okay, so the pinion slipped off. It felt okay for speed because there's not a whole lot of areas where you can open it up, but my pinion slipped off, but I gotta fix that. That's the biggest issue right now. Pinion came off. first run. Minor thing, but it ran pretty good. So the problem was I had the pinion flipped on the wrong way, so it was only engaging the very edge of that prop shaft there, so I flipped it in there. Anyway, that should do me up, but I missed out on my first seating round. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you're new here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. More about this race coming up soon.